This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now? Park, set the parking brake, and turn the ignition to ACC or run the engine to power the lighting system. Once done, make sure your headlight switch is on low beam. Fog lights usually won't engage with parking lights. Next, find the fog control on your Wrangler. Some models have a dedicated dash button left of the wheel, others use a pull/rotate on the headlight knob. Identify which style you have so you can switch it. Now activate the fog lights. Press the dash button or pull/rotate the headlight knob as appropriate for your Wrangler. You'll see a green fog lamp icon illuminate in the cluster. This confirms the circuit is live. If you have factory lights, they should aim low and wide automatically. If they are aftermarket, make sure the mounting and aim are correct to avoid glare. While driving slowly, check the cutoff line and adjust the aim until the beam stays low and illuminates the road edges. Finish by verifying performance. Drive at low speed in foggy conditions to confirm improved close-range illumination and that the beam pattern is correct. Once visibility returns, switch the fogs off to prevent glare to other drivers. If the fog light indicator doesn't appear or lamps don't light, check the fog light fuse and bulb socket first. Pull the appropriate fuse and inspect for a blown element, then test the bulb connections. If the fuse is
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.